gift together with her daddy. Hi, Gift! Wow, ang ganda naman ang dress ni Gift. Ang ganda na ni Gift ngayong araw.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and the stars. Happy birthday to you.
At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang birthday celebration ni Gift kung hindi natin kakantaan ng Happy Happy Birthday song kasabay sa gitna music reel. Happy birthday to you.